Welcome to the installation guide for the MILOS underfloor heating system, taking you through a step-by-step process for a correct and safe installation. Before you begin, please ensure you have all the materials and tools required for the installation as shown on the screen. Using a marker, highlight the areas on the floor where bathroom fixtures or other permanent furniture are to be installed. Do not install the heating mat in any of these areas. Apply the perimeter expansion strip around all the walls of the room. This strip allows for the correct thermal expansion of the system and prevents heat loss. Apply a layer of flexible adhesive to the floor with a minimum thickness of 5 mm and proceed to lay the insulation boards, applying light pressure to ensure they are properly bonded to the surface. Before laying the mat, verify its integrity using a multimeter. Confirm that the resistance reading matches the values on the factory certificate found in the manual. If the reading does not match the expected values, or you detect an open circuit, contact Rointe technical support before continuing. Roll out the mat, maintaining a minimum distance of 10 centimeters from the skirting board, and position the start of the mat as close as possible to the intended location of the thermostat. Cut a chase into the wall and install 2 flexible conduits. One to protect the power cable, and the other for the floor sensor. Feed the sensor through the conduit down to the floor. Its installation is mandatory, as it acts as a measuring element and, crucially, as a safety device for the system. Please note that the floor sensor is included with the Rointe thermostat, so you will need both components before starting the installation. Ensure the sensor tip is positioned exactly in the center between 2 heating wires for an accurate reading. Feed the power cable through the conduit to the flush-mounted wall box. Fill the chase with a layer of adhesive to level the surface. If 2 or more underfloor heating mats are being installed, a junction box will be required to centralize the installation. When laying the mat over the surface, if you need to change direction or bypass obstacles, cut the fiberglass mesh only. Never cut or damage the heating cable during this process. Carry out a second resistance test. If the values do not match the previous reading or indicate an open circuit, the system may have been damaged or incorrectly installed prior to sealing. In this case, stop the installation immediately and do not proceed. Cover the mat with a flexible tile adhesive suitable for underfloor heating. Before tiling, ensure the adhesive thickness is 2 centimeters for porcelain tiles or 1 centimeter for marble, always respecting the manufacturer's recommended minimums. Lay the tiles firmly, ensuring there are no air pockets to allow for optimal heat transfer. Carefully trim any excess from the perimeter strip. Perform a final resistance test as a verification once the flooring is in place. If the reading does not match previous values, or you detect an anomaly, it indicates the system is damaged or has been installed incorrectly. Proceed with the thermostat installation. Check that the wall-mounted back box has a minimum depth of 35 mm. Connect the power cables and the sensor, following the wiring diagram on the screen. Secure the thermostat's rear mounting bracket to the box using the screws provided. If the installation exceeds 3,600 watts on a single thermostat, a contactor must be installed. Finally, clip the thermostat front onto the bracket. And that's it. You have successfully installed your Rointe MILOS underfloor heating system.